How did they interpret the 3 days and 3 nights? Is that people generally used to travel on camels. Fuqaha, jurists also considered how much did they travel on an average per day. So if a camel is going on an average speed with an average journey per day, so they realized that for 3 days and 3 nights, it is almost 48 miles. Just imagine, in 3 days, they will only cover 48 miles, which is equivalent to almost 77, 78 kilometers. So now try to understand this. If people intend, remember the word intend, I-N-T-E-N-D, niyat, irada. If people's niyat, irada, intention is that they are going to travel for more than 48 miles, more than say 78 kilometers. And they also intend that they are going to stay there for less than 15 days. That is maximum of 14. Then they will travel, they will pray 2 rakahs. They will be considered as musafir in all of these days. So it's all about intention, because it could be I came here, that I was here in Sydney, for example, for 20 days. But then this was my intention initially. So I'm coming from Dubai. It is definitely more than 48 miles. My intention was 20 days. So what will I do? I'll pray full or half here in Sydney. Full, because it's more than 14 days. But it could be that I had to go back in 10 days. So the initial intention will count.